Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quaint. String theory makes an attempt to unify Einstein's general theory of relativity with quantum mechanics. This is known to you, but there is many problems with string theories. String theory. One problem is string theory is 10-dimensional. Okay. Then string theory is mathematically so complex, and the most important one is the predictions of string theory, means string theory is not testable. That is the most important one. String theory is not testable by using today's technology. So those are the problems with string theory, and string theory considers force of gravity as a fundamental force. That is known to you. Okay, we know that gravity is a fundamental force. This was taught in our school and colleges. Gravity is a fundamental force, but according to this new proposal, a new theory was proposed by Aalto University physicists. Two physicists are there, Dr. Mikko Partanen and Dr. Jukka Tulkki. They have proposed, they are from Aalto University. They have proposed that gravity is not a fundamental force, means gravity is not a standalone force. It comes from what? Interactions of particles with quantum vacuum. Interactions of particles with quantum vacuum. That means this is the result of collective behavior, right? This means what? Force of gravity. This is the result of collective behavior, just like temperature, If you consider individual molecules, then individual molecules don't have any temperature. Temperature is nothing but the collective, means temperature is nothing but the result of collective motion of molecules. That is known to you. Similarly, force of gravity is also the result of collective behavior of the interactions in the quantum domain or in quantum space-time. So you can see that there is a drastic change in our idea about gravity. So there could be a drastic change in our idea about space, time and the reality itself. Though this is just a proposal from those two physicists, proposal, still there is no experimental evidence available. But scientists, since here their theory is actually testable, because their theory is related with the field of quantum optical dynamics, and quantum optical dynamics is this field of study has experimental backing. That means their theory actually aligns well with the particle physics, with the optics, then with the cosmology also. So there is a great hope that this theory, their new theory, could be verified using experiments. Nothing is taken for granted, or nothing is accepted in the world of science until and unless it is experimentally verified. That is known to you. Anyway, there is a great hope, and our idea about gravity would change drastically. So in a standard model of physics, they actually make an attempt to unify all the fundamental forces, means force of gravity, then electromagnetism, then two nuclear forces are there, strong nuclear force and a weak nuclear force. So all the forces are considered to be fundamental, and the standard model of particle physics, that one, I am talking about that one. So that standard model of particle physics makes an attempt to unify all these forces. But there was a problem with only the force of gravity. They have actually already unified all the other three forces, except for gravity. But according to the new theory, gravity is not a fundamental force. That means we are very close to discover the theory of everything. If this theory, the new theory, could be proved to be true, in that case, we are very close to discover theory of everything. And in that case, our view about space-time and reality itself means there will be a great change. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, beyond string theory. Okay. Anyway, so this is the end of this video. If this video blew your mind, so please in that case like, share and subscribe to our channel. Anyway, this is the end of this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching this one.